A warm welcome to all of you. Today we'll explore zoonosis, parasitic zoonosis, their different types, routes of transmission, and methods of prevention. Let us first understand the term zoonosis. Zoonosis refers to a group of diseases commonly found in vertebrate animals that can infect humans and can also spread from humans back to animals. Or, in simple words, a zoonotic disease is any disease that can pass from animals to humans or from humans to animals. Zoonotic diseases are very important in public health because approximately 60% of all human pathogens are zoonotic, and nearly 75% of emerging infectious diseases originate from animals. Now let us discuss the major types of zoonosis. Zoonotic diseases are mainly divided into four groups. The first group is viral zoonosis. Examples include rabies and Congo fever. The second group is bacterial zoonosis. Examples include anthrax, Lyme disease, Q fever, and brucellosis. The third group is fungal or mycotic zoonosis. Examples include dermatophytosis, also called ringworm, sporotrichosis, cryptosporidiosis, histoplasmosis, and blastomycosis. The fourth and most important group for our topic is parasitic zoonosis. Parasitic zoonosis includes parasitic diseases that can spread between animals and humans. Let us first discuss parasitic zoonosis caused by protozoa. Examples include Hydatidosis caused by Balantidium coli, cryptosporidiosis caused by Cryptosporidium species, giardiasis caused by Giardia lamblia, pneumocystosis caused by Pneumocystis jirovecii, sarcocystosis caused by Sarcocystis species, toxoplasmosis caused by Toxoplasma gondii, Chagas disease caused by Trypanosoma cruzi, leishmaniasis caused by Leishmania species. Now discuss parasitic zoonosis caused by helminths. Examples include Ascariasis sum caused by Ascaris sum, Dirophilariasis caused by Dirofilaria species, fascioliasis caused by Fasciola hepatica or Fasciola gigantica, Hydatidosis caused by Echinococcus granulosus, trichinosis caused by Trichinella spiralis, strongyloidiasis caused by Strongyloides stercoralis, Taeniasis saginata caused by Taenia saginata, schistosomiasis caused by Schistosoma species, trichostrongylidiasis caused by Trichostrongyla species, dipylidiasis caused by Dipylidium caninum, larva migrans caused by Toxocariasis species. Now let us discuss zoonosis caused by ectoparasites. Examples include acariasis caused by mites, myiasis caused by fly larvae, scabies caused by Sarcoptes scabii, tick-borne zoonosis caused by ticks, mite-borne zoonosis caused by mites. Now let us study the routes of transmission of zoonotic parasites to humans. Transmission may occur through vectors such as mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. It may also occur through fecal contamination, contaminated water, or infected meat. Finally, let us discuss the prevention of zoonotic parasites. Always wash your hands properly. Keep sandboxes covered to avoid contamination. Wear shoes while walking outdoors. Dispose of animal feces properly whenever possible. Avoid drinking untreated water. And always cook meat thoroughly before eating. In the next lecture, we will study kingdom Protista, classification, and nomenclature of parasites. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning. See you in the next lecture.